Hi, I'm Andrea from Andréa Janssen, and today we are going to make a broccoli frittata with mozzarella, and we make it very simple in the oven. The frittata will taste like a quiche without dough crust, with crunchy vegetables, soft mozzarella and delicious herbs. And you can eat it hot or cold. And we start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And what do you need for 4 people in an oven dish of 6 by 10 inches? 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 3 sprigs of fresh thyme or 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 4.5 ounces of mozzarella, 1 pound broccoli, 1 tablespoon of oil, 5 eggs size M, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper.
Bring a pan with water to the boil and add the broccoli florets. Cook for 5 minutes or until the broccoli is al dente. Heat oil in a frying pan and fry the onion for 3 minutes until it looks translucent, not brown. Add the garlic and fry for another minute. Turn off the heat. Stir in the broccoli, the grated broccoli, and half the mozzarella cubes and mix. Add the thyme and rosemary. Break the eggs on top and mix with the broccoli mixture. Season with salt and pepper. And put everything into a baking dish. Sprinkle with the rest of the mozzarella and place in the oven for 30 minutes until golden brown.
The frittata is ready and I'm about to lunch, so this is right on time. Do you want to make this frittata for larger or smaller groups? Then you can find the handy calculator in the recipe card on my blog that calculates the ingredients for you. Thank you for watching. You can find a written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel or check out the rest of my videos where you will find over 100 recipes that are all quick, tasty and easy to make. And I'll see you soon.